Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is Jason, certified financial planner and host of Fighting Words Financial. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about something that's really kind of been lost in the shuffle, but I think is actually really good news. I'm not going to talk about, of course, shorting, GameStop, all that stuff. And really wanted to talk to you about cryptocurrency just for a little bit. I'm not talking necessarily about the incredible run-up with cryptocurrency, but I want to talk to you about Coinbase, the biggest and best known US cryptocurrency exchange. They filed forms back in December with the SEC indicating an intention to go public. I mean, why wouldn't they at this point, right? The timing is just absolutely perfect. Bitcoin is up essentially 300% in 2020, a little bit more this week. The overall crypto market has topped over $1 trillion. And probably, that's mostly thanks to Cathy and of ARK Invest. Cryptocurrency is really becoming an asset class and a real part of conversations with financial professionals everywhere at this point. So Coinbase has elected to go public via direct listing. This is in the same manner that Palantir did in 2020. And direct listing is a way for companies to become publicly traded without a merger with a SPAC or a traditional bank-backed initial public offering. It's important that you understand that there are some risks and opportunities with a direct listing and do your own research before investing. Direct listings can be considered riskier for the offering firm, more risky than just a regular initial public offering. Coinbase is not going to be working with an investment bank that will be underwriting the issue of the stock. They'll be foregoing that safety net of an underwriter, but they're getting a quicker and less expensive way to raise capital. The opening stock price of Coinbase is going to be completely at the mercy of market demand and potential market swings. So we don't have a timeline yet as to when Coinbase their listing is going to happen. It could happen as soon as next month, or it could take a few months. Look at Uber, for example. They filed their confidential forms in December of 2018, and it took several months before they were able to debut on the stock market. Now, there's been a lot of unwarranted excitement, in my opinion, around many IPOs, but Coinbase is likely, in my opinion, to enjoy a pretty big run-up. You see, unlike a lot of recent SPAC mergers and direct offerings, Coinbase is actually a real business. The company has 35 million customers and an $8 billion valuation, at least when they last reported that valuation in 2018. It's certainly much bigger now, especially considering how much that Bitcoin has skyrocketed, other cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed, and how many more people are actually in the business of holding cryptocurrencies in their portfolios. But most tellingly, Coinbase as a business has been profitable for years. That's what makes it a lot more exciting than many of these other SPAC opportunities recently. And I think the vast majority of the companies that have gone public in the last couple of months, not only are they pre-profits, but most of them are actually pre-revenues. So I think we're going to have to wait a little while before the offering actually happens. This is the first offering of its type in the cryptocurrency industry, and the SEC is going to be treating cryptocurrency and this type of IPO with an abundance of caution. Coinbase is the closest thing we have to a household name in cryptocurrency in the United States, and regulators are going to want to get this right, since if this is successful, there's probably going to be more to come. The Coinbase direct public offering is not going to be without some controversy, of course. This company has already had to deal with quite a bit of regulatory scrutiny over the years. They've also had over 115 customer complaints filed with the SEC over the years, ranging from missing funds to trading outages to a lack of customer service. Over the years, Coinbase has not infrequently had website crashes during key price movements in cryptocurrency markets when buyers or sellers were anxious to buy or sell. Given this history, regulators are probably going to take a real hard look at Coinbase. On the other hand, there's a lot of people who are insiders in the cryptocurrency industry who see this as an opportunity to start a new era of cooperation with regulators and to be more legitimate per se, and to bring cryptocurrency into the fold of normalized financial transactions. Cryptocurrency is actually a decade old now. I think that it's not really all that new anymore, and I think it's here to stay for a variety of reasons that don't have anything to do with the recent price rally. Bitcoin, the very first cryptocurrency, has been around for 12 years and has had an active trading market around it for about a decade. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, started around 2015, and there are a horde of imitators. Now, most potential investors still find crypto a little bit mystifying, and they fail to understand a key point that Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, is really separate from blockchain technology. Coinbase and Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies are a derivative of blockchain technology, which is described as a way of democratizing secure transactions for the greater public. There are higher level applications of blockchain technology that go beyond Coinbase, which makes me really interested to see how Coinbase is going to describe itself in its public S1 form that it needs to file with the SEC. Is Coinbase going to describe themselves as a bank, as a trading platform, or is it a blockchain technology company? I'm really interested in finding out. So, okay, folks, let me bottom line this for you. I think that the direct public offering is likely to go well if overall market conditions are right, meaning the stock market as a whole doesn't crash. Coinbase is actually more attractive to me than other recent public offerings because the business has been profitable for many years, because I think that both cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies have a bright future ahead of them and a long way to run. As always, folks, these are just my thoughts on the subject. Feel free to let me know how wrong you think I am in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you.